Have to expresses external obligation from rules, laws, and requirements. It shows something is not your personal choice, but comes from outside authority. This makes it different from must, which shows internal personal obligation. Have to shows obligation from external rules or requirements, not personal choice. It works in present tense, past tense, and future tense. Questions and negatives use do, does, or did. For example, you have to wear a uniform at school. She has to finish the report by tomorrow. Here are common examples using have to. I have to finish my homework before dinner. She has to wear a mask in the hospital. They had to leave early yesterday. He does not have to come if he is busy. Do you have to work this weekend? Fill in the blanks using have to, has to, or had to. Students have to wear uniforms at school. I have to study for the exam tomorrow. She has to clean her room every weekend. We have to pay taxes every year. He had to go to the doctor yesterday. Test your understanding with these quiz questions. You have to finish your homework before dinner, true or false. She has to clean her room every day, true or false. They had to leave early yesterday. What tense is this? Do you have to wear a uniform at school? Form a negative sentence. Here are the correct answers for the fill-in exercise. Students have to wear uniforms at school. I have to study for the exam tomorrow. She has to clean her room every weekend. We have to pay taxes every year. He had to go to the doctor yesterday. They have to finish the project by Friday. Quiz answers. Question 1 is true because it is an external rule. Question 2 is true because it is a school requirement. Question 3 is past simple using had to. Question 4 negative form is you do not have to wear a uniform. Question 5 is yes, it shows external obligation. Have to shows external rules like laws and deadlines. You have to wear a seatbelt. Must shows personal feeling or internal obligation. I must study tonight. Have to works in all tenses with do questions. Must has limited tenses and no do questions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.